Hello dear traders, you're watching Economic Calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. At the end of this week, traders will focus on the following macroeconomic statistics. On Thursday, New Zealand will publish a report on the economic growth for the third quarter. The consensus estimate calls for a rise in the gross domestic product of 0.8% on a quarterly basis and 3.6% annually. In the second quarter, New Zealand's economy expanded by 0.9% from the previous quarter. However, the pace of growth fell short of analysts' expectations, who predicted a rise of 1.1%. In annual terms, New Zealand's GDP volume increased by 3.6% in line with the forecast. Economic growth was triggered by strong domestic and overseas demand. Activity increased in 11 out of 16 sectors, with the construction sector posting the highest pace of 5%. Additionally, the US durable goods orders report will see the light on Thursday. Analysts expect the indicator to fall by 4.5%. In October, the indicator demonstrated fairly good results. Thus, the durable goods orders surged by 4.8% on a monthly basis, exceeding expectations of 1.2%. The new orders for long-lasting manufactured goods increased at the fastest pace since October 2015, which was caused by a rapid rise in orders for transport equipment, which grew by 12%. The durable goods orders, excluding transportation items, inched up by just 1%. On Friday, Canada will publish GDP data for October. Experts anticipate a monthly rise of 0.1%. In September, Canada's economy expanded by 0.3% on a monthly basis and by 1.9% in annual terms. Falling oil prices and crisis in the oil industry have caused a steep slowdown in the Canadian economy recently. In the second quarter, Canada's gross domestic product decreased by 1.6% at the fastest pace since the crisis of 2008-2009. The global oil prices took a nosedive. Besides, Canada's output suffered great losses due to fires in the oil-rich province of Alberta. This factor had a major impact on the GDP growth, as the country's economy is commodity dependent. Despite this fact, the Bank of Canada maintains its upbeat outlook. Thus, the central bank expects the GDP growth to accelerate to 3.5% in the third quarter. Apart from the above-mentioned events, the following reports will be unveiled at the end of this week. However, the economic calendar is light, as many countries are getting ready to celebrate Christmas. On Thursday, Canada will publish the Consumer Prices Index, and the US will release the initial jobless claims report. On Friday, the United Kingdom will report on its current account, and the United States will reveal its data on new home sales. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events on Insta TV. See you back next week. Bye.